Hello everyone. Welcome back to Let's Learn Sociology. In this video presentation, we are going to see an important sociological topic, prejudice or social prejudice. You will understand its meaning, causes, and impact on society, along with real-life examples. Let's begin. Prejudice is a widespread social problem found in almost every society. It affects how people think, behave, and interact with others. Prejudice creates social divisions and often leads to inequality, discrimination, and conflict. The word prejudice means prejudging someone or a group before knowing them properly. It is an opinion formed without sufficient knowledge or evidence. Most prejudices are negative attitudes based on stereotypes, fear, or misinformation. Social prejudice refers to negative attitudes or feelings toward an entire social group. These groups may be identified based on caste, race, religion, ethnicity, gender, class, or nationality. Instead of judging individuals, people judge the whole group unfairly. Prejudice is not logical, it is emotional and irrational. People usually learn prejudice from family, society, media, and culture. Once formed, prejudice is very difficult to change, even when evidence proves it wrong. There are different forms of social prejudice. Caste prejudice is common in many societies. Racial prejudice involves discrimination based on skin, color, or race. Religious prejudice targets people of other faiths. Gender prejudice treats men and women unequally. Prejudice develops due to several reasons. Socialization plays a major role. Children learn attitudes from elders. Ignorance and lack of education strengthen false beliefs. Stereotypes label entire groups in a negative way. Fear of losing power, jobs, or identity also leads to prejudice. Media often spreads prejudice by showing biased images of certain communities. Cultural traditions and myths sometimes promote inequality. When these ideas are repeated again and again, people start believing them as truth. Prejudice has serious effects on individuals. Victims may suffer from low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. Individuals may face social exclusion, harassment, or violence. At the societal level, prejudice creates inequality and injustice. It leads to conflicts, riots, and violence between groups. Prejudice weakens social unity and national integration. For example, caste discrimination denies opportunities to lower caste groups. Racism treats people unfairly based on skin color. Gender bias limits education and employment opportunities for women. These are all clear examples of social prejudice. Prejudice can be reduced through education and awareness. Encouraging interaction between different social groups helps break stereotypes. Promoting equality, justice, and human rights is essential for a prejudice-free society. To conclude, prejudice is harmful to both individuals and society. Eliminating prejudice requires collective effort, education, and social responsibility. Sociology helps us understand these social problems and work toward a better society. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn Sociology for more sociological concepts.